Why men like younger women? What are the reasons why men like younger women? And what makes men to prefer to date younger women? In today's video, that is what I am going to share with you. And before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets, dating, and relationship advice for men and women. So if you are looking for videos like this or other related stuff or any video concerning men, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good and valuable content like this. So why do men like younger women? There are so many reasons, but in today's video, I am going to share with you 3 powerful reasons why men like younger women. Number 1, men like younger women because 1, younger women are easily controlled. Yes, men like women that they can easily control. Maybe when you tell her or ask her to do something, she can do it. She can do it perfectly without complaint and without hesitation. But in older women, they have gained experience of life, and they know more than the younger ones. So it will be very difficult for you to control an older woman, but very easy for you to control a younger woman. Number 2 is that younger women are easily manipulated, or they can easily become afraid. Once you can manipulate them and tell them something, scold on them once they misbehave, she can easily become afraid. And you know, when a woman can easily become afraid, she will never offend you. She will never think of doing something wrong that will hurt you as a man, or something wrong that might hurt a man she is living with. But compare it to the older ones, they don't care because they feel that they have much experience. They have seen things in life. They have experienced things that have shaped them many years. So nothing you will do that will shake her. Nothing you will do that will make her to become afraid or to be manipulated. What can you do to manipulate someone who has gained experience more than you? So men prefer to date younger women because younger women can be easily controlled, manipulated, and they can become afraid. Once you scold on her, she can easily understand and desist from what you don't want her to do. But older women don't care because they feel that they have more knowledge and they have seen things in life. They have experienced things in life. So that is just the reason. Number 3 and the last is that younger women are more attractive than older women due to their light and attractive skin. Their new skin, their new face, all those things makes them easily attractive to men. But in older women, due to their old age and they have lived long on earth, maybe someone who has suffered, their body has shrunk, even the face has shrunk. So they are not much attractive except the ones that do take care of themselves. But younger ones, whether much caring or maintenance or not, as far as she is still young, it will appear or show in her body. So that makes them more attractive than older ones. So these 3 reasons are the main reasons why men prefer or like younger women than older ones. I hope you like this update and this powerful video. Please, if you do, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good and powerful video like this. Please make sure that you comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Comment on this video and share this video to your friends and family. Let them know the reason why men like younger women than older ones, or why men like younger women. So please, thank you for watching this video, and like and share this video to your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.